Hello students, we are going to discuss a question which is when air is replaced by a dielectric medium of constant K, the maximum force of attraction between two charges separated by a distance is how much? Will it increase by K times? Will it remain unchanged? Will it decrease by K times? Or will it increase 1 by K times is the option. So here we clearly know that what is that we know is force between the two charges. I am assuming the two charges as Q1 and Q2, and force between the two charges in air, I take it as F naught is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 Q2 by R square. So epsilon naught is permittivity of free space, air or vacuum. And the same case, what they are doing here is they are replacing the air with a dielectric constant K. In that case, force in that particular medium will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon m into Q1 Q2 by R square. So dividing both the equations, what will I get? F naught by Fm is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 Q2 by R square into 4 pi epsilon m divided by 1 into R square by Q1 into Q2. So here 4 pi epsilon naught, sorry, not 4 pi epsilon, 4 pi R square, Q1, Q2 will get cancelled out. So we will be remaining with F naught by Fm is equal to epsilon m by epsilon naught, where epsilon m is the permittivity of the medium, which we can equate it to dielectric constant K. It is the ratio of force in air divided by force in medium, or you can also write it as the ratio of permittivity of the medium by permittivity of air. So this is the K value. So using this relation, what we can write is, using this relation we can conclude whether the force of attraction between the two charges separated by a particular distance, what we have considered is R, is going to increase by K times or decrease by K times. So for that, what will I take is, I'll take this relation which is F naught by Fm, that is force between the two charges in air divided by force between the two charges in the medium is equal to K. So in this case, that implies force between the two charges in the medium after replacing air with medium will be equal to F naught by K. That means we can say that the force between the two charges in air is greater than the force between the two charges in a particular medium of dielectric constant K. That means you can also write it as F naught is equal to K times of force in medium. So from this we can conclude that the force between the two charges will decrease by K times. The force between the two charges will decrease by K times on replacing the air with a medium of dielectric constant K. So decreases by K times is the correct option. Hope you understood. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you.